Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we are going to talk about how to uninstall a driver on Windows and show you simple ways to remove drivers safely from your computer. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Click on the search box on the taskbar, type Control Panel and then click Control Panel from the results. Step 2. In the Control Panel window, click on Uninstall a program. Step 3. From the list of installed programs and drivers, click the driver you want to remove. Selecting the correct driver is important to avoid removing something essential for your system. Step 4. Click the Uninstall button at the top. This option starts the removal process and prepares Windows to delete the selected driver. Step 5. When the confirmation message appears, click Yes to proceed. This confirms your action and allows Windows to fully uninstall the driver. Method 2. Step 1. Right-click on the Start menu and click Device Manager. This tool is used to manage all hardware devices and their drivers in one place. Step 2. In the Device Manager window, click the category that contains your device. Categories help organize devices like display adapters, network adapters, and sound devices. Step 3. Locate the specific driver, right-click on it, and click Uninstall. This option directly removes the driver linked to that hardware. Step 4. In the confirmation dialog, check the box that says Delete the driver software for this device. This ensures the driver files are completely removed from the system. Step 5. Click Uninstall to complete the process. Windows will now remove the driver and update the system automatically. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful videos.